Alright guys, I am at Link Heart Throb. Shout out to Cindy T-Town, who I am playing this in honor of. This is one of her favorite games. I have $100 in here, and I am going to start off with a dime bet for the first 50 anyway, and I'm going to play my favorite bet on this, which is $2.50 on dime denomination, and I'm hoping to get a bonus really quick. So I need 6 of those hearts or 3 of those moons. 2 more. Oh, that would have been nice to get a second spin bonus. All right, I'm gonna change the denom to 1 cent, and we're gonna do a 250 spin still. Change the denom to 2 cents, and let's do $3 a spin. Go back to dimes. All right, back to 250. My favorite bet on this. Come on, Cindy, let's do this. I know you sent me luck for this machine, so. I've never won on lightning respin. Oh well. I tried, Cindy. I kid you not, the very next spin, I can promise you, you can actually hear the music in the background. And I still have my 80 right here. I put 20 bucks in, and I did a first spin bonus because I wasn't ready to leave. So maybe I can get my 100 back and then some. Big hearts. Big hearts. Anything with words on it and I'll be ecstatic. Come on, I need something to land. Heart. Shoot. Well, didn't quite make it back. $67.50. Like I said, I put initially 100 and then another 20. So let's play this down just a little bit. I will quit at, I'll quit at 40 or 100. That'll give it a good chance to get another bonus. I like the moon bonus too. That would be cool to get some free spins. So the multipliers in that bonus round is pretty awesome. I'm just hoping I get to show it. Last spin, guys. Oh, I can do one more. Alright guys, 120 in, cashing out of 40 bucks. That was Heart Throb. It's the first time that ever happened, guys. I wish I had that on film. I'm down to nothing, and I had my last chance spin, and I got it on my last chance spin. $50 ball right there, or heart. So let's hope I get it all back. Man, I wish I didn't shut my camera off. First time I ever got a bonus on last chance spin. Ooh, that grand. 11,000. That would be crazy. That would be crazy. Man. I was hoping. It was a great last spin. Awesome, I got my money back, guys. So happy. All right. That was good, 135. I got 120 in here. Let's just play my $15 down, and if I lose, I'm even. But that was a great comeback. No less than 120. That was it. 120 in, 121 out. Link Heart Throb. Alright guys, I finally got a bonus, betting 528. Let's see what happens. Shoot. Don't miss 3, I'm doing it. Doing it. 6 times 5. 5 times 5. I need a minimum of 5 games. Hopefully more. Shoot. This is if I picked 5. At least I got a re-trigger off the bat, which was nice. It's 12 bucks. Oh, come on, no dead spins. Oh my god. Re-trigger, please. No. 24. Alright, well, it was over 100 bucks. Just gonna play this down to 100. Oh, that would have been nice back-to-back. One more bonus. If I can get one more bonus before 100, I will pick 10.